Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on Phantom USD? Now, from a weekly perspective, there is immediately a very clear structure that we have here. In fact, the market has created this very strong impulse to the downside, breaking below the previous support here, which is now turned resistance at this area. And after the impulse, the market started a nice retracement. Now, always remember, if you have an impulse in the market, if you want to measure this retracement, what are you supposed to be doing? Taking your Fibonacci from the high to the low of the impulse. And what you can see is that the 0.618, aka the golden ratio, is lining up perfectly with this previous support, now turned resistance. And also keep in mind that if you have a market that has an impulse and a correction, you want to see the next impulse to the downside at least try to start. Now, if we go down on the daily, what we can see that the market in the move to the upside has definitely been providing some nice opportunities for some longing, but at the moment it seems like the market has been decelerating a little bit already, starting to show rejections, and I would like to see the market try to go higher to test the zone before looking for a potential shorting opportunity. Also, keep in mind that from a daily perspective, look at what happened here. After this perfect impulse and correction, the market tested exactly the zone before melting to the downside aggressively. Therefore, this area here is a very strong supply area for this market. So, how we will be approaching this with students? Now, if the market will manage to actually go inside of this zone, then what we will be doing is waiting for the market from a 4 hour perspective to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market, because in approaching this area, obviously everything will be bullish from a 4 hour point of view. So what we will be doing is, first of all, waiting for the market inside of the zone to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market, and then we will be waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries with students, we will be looking for a nice short with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the downside. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.